Here's how to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your YouTube application, and then afterwards go to the profile icon located at the lower right, and then afterwards click on the gear icon located at the upper right, and then click on the general options. Once you're already on the general options, you will see there the appearance options, and you will see there the appearance, device theme, dark theme, and light theme. Usually your videos on YouTube is getting dark when your appearance is on the dark theme. Now, for you to be able to avoid this, you can go ahead and stick to the light theme, or you can just go ahead and stick using the use device theme, because use device theme is actually just light. So all you need to do is to practice on checking the appearance that you have, or the appearance set to the general settings of your YouTube, for you to be able to avoid your YouTube videos getting dark. Make sure that the theme that you are going to choose is the right one that you really wanted for your YouTube theme.